Balance day adjustment.
In this video, we will be talking about the differences between prepaid expense and prepaid revenue.
Prepaid revenue is revenues that have been received and recorded in the current period but will not be earned until a future accounting period.
The examples for prepaid revenue are prepaid commission received and prepaid rental received. Prepaid expenses are expenses that have been paid for before they have been incurred.
The example of prepaid expenses are prepaid insurance and prepaid rent. Prepaid revenue is a current liability account and credit in nature. Meanwhile, prepaid expense is a current asset account and debit in nature.
Prepaid revenue can be recorded by using revenue and liability method, while prepaid expense can be recorded by using expense and asset method. For revenue method, firstly, open a revenue account and write the balance. Second, identify the amount of revenue earned during the period. Third, adjust the revenue amount and open a prepaid revenue account. And lastly, balance off the prepaid revenue account. The use of revenue method is to remove the unearned revenue from the revenue account. Second, to create a temporary liability account. And the third one is to transfer the revenue earned to the profit and loss account so that revenue and profit will not be overstated.
For liability method, firstly, open a prepaid revenue account and write the balance. Secondly, open a revenue account and identify the amount of revenue earned during the period. Thirdly, balance off the prepaid revenue account, and lastly, close off the revenue account.
Liability method is used to transfer the revenue earned to the profit and loss account so that revenue and profit will not be overstated.
For the expense method, firstly, open an expense account and write the balance. Secondly, identify the amount of expense incurred during the period. Thirdly, adjust the expense amount and open a prepaid expense account. And lastly, balance off the prepaid expense account. Expense method is used to remove the unutilized expense from the expense account. It creates a temporary asset account and it transfers the expense incurred to the profit and loss account so that expense will not be overstated and profit will not be understated.
For asset method, firstly, open a prepaid expense account and write the balance. Second, open an expense account and identify the amount of expense incurred during the period. Third, balance off the prepaid expense account. And lastly, close off the expense account.
Asset method is used to transfer the expense incurred to the profit and loss account so that the expense will not be overstated and profit will not be understated.
Does balance day adjustment help to improve the business?
Yes, Nat. It helps the business to obtain a more accurate profit and loss figure. Liability method is more beneficial for the business as they will be aware of the undone obligation. But what will happen to the financial reports if you do not do the balance day adjustment?
For income statement, the net profit will be inaccurate, while for the balance sheet, the amount of current asset and current liability will be inaccurate. Thanks for watching. Bye!